Okay, first one of the day is this custom Harley Davidson Road King. This is in for a whole heap of Trott Luv. It's going in next door to be up for sale, so we've got lots of polishing to do. Every little bit of chrome on this is going to get polished. Move down the front there, it's got a little bit of corrosion up underneath there. I will do some machine polishing on this gorgeous bodywork. Looks like it's got a little chip there. Not much I can do with that. Going to take those saddlebags off so we can get to that back wheel. Got lots of polishing to do on that. Loads of chrome. So this is going to get one of our full Monty valets. Snow foam on it. We'll get it in the studio and we'll crack on with all the polishing. I will do some machine polishing on this bodywork. Some of this gloss black needs sorting out. It's going up for sale right next door. If you're looking for a custom Harley Road King, give them a call next door. I'm sure it won't be around long once we've given it our bit of Trott TLC. Let's get cracking. Okay, first step is to remove these bags to get access to all the hidden filth. These wheels are chrome. Look at that. These are going to take some serious polishing. They are caked up. Get those exhausts all polished up. Got to get it looking nice before it goes in the showroom. She is filthy underneath. Anyways, like I said, let's get some snow foam on it. We'll start scrubbing all those wheels and then we'll get it in the studio. There you go, 5 hours later, this Harley has been fully trotted. This is one of our showroom prep valets ready to go in the showroom and up for sale. Polished up all those wheels, every single bit of chrome. I did a single stage polish on all the bodywork. All that back wheel that was all Memphis, all been polished. The saddlebags have been removed. All the exhaust had a little bit of pitting on it. It's all been polished. Little XCP on the motor. Heading for the showroom. If you're looking for a custom Road King, give Kyle a ring right next door. This will not be around long.